Aga pa mga kachika.
Let's see. I'll have lots of swimming.
Understand?
Ah.
Not supposed to.
Yeah. Aga pa mga kachika. Dumating ako dito 6:30. Hindi pa nga yata 6:30 kasi mabilis yung baso. Dito na lang ako nag-ayos. Naglagay ako ng kilid sa ganito para komportable naman yung itsura natin bago magtrabaho. Pero magkakape muna ako kasi may baon ako. Hindi pa ako nagkape. Nagkape na. Nagkape na pala ako pero hindi pa ako nagkain ba. Kung ano kape lang. Barin na natin to kasi mano naman warm na dito. Sobrang lamig sa labas. Yung panggabi pala today ay panggabi last night is nandito pa siya kasi matatapos siya ng 9 o'clock eh. Start siya ng 9 matapos ng 9 ng gabi hanggang 9 o'clock in the morning Filipina. Naka-leave yung namin yung isa. Sabi ko sa'yo na nagagalit. Hindi ko lang yung siya pinapansin. Siguro sa katandaan na lang niya ba. Ganun na yung ugali niya.
Okay.
And Lisa in Wyoming.
Okay.
Yeah, my husband's got a place, and thanks God I got a husband like that.
Yeah.
I never make pitik-pitik. If she pitik-pitik me, I make kutsilyo. Everything now. No, I never have. He's very patient. She's workaholic, so.
Yeah, I like that.
Filipina, they understand that one, isn't it?
What you call that one day? They cannot just live at home, no.
Yeah.
No, they want to always do something.
That's why, when we go holiday, I'm lying down there.
Ito tayo mga kachika. Madali na kami kay may swimming lesson yung mga bata. Hindi pwede ma-miss nila today kasi na-miss nila last week. Hindi kami napunta talaga kasi may accident doon. So, kami stuck sa traffic. And today, last day na lang din nila nito ngayong year na ito. Last day ng swimming lessons nila. Kaya kailangan nilang punta doon. Actually, yung pinupuntahan namin swimming lessons nila, 30 minutes lang talaga yan. Okay. 30 minutes. Okay. After 30 minutes, tapos na. Hindi nga talaga 30 minutes. Mga 25 minutes lang yan swimming lessons nila. Grandma. Be, you got something here, Be.
Yes, I noticed that.
On your face. You've been have
Not
you have that one
again.
since
No way.
But
now I have a chocolate. Where is it? There?
Let's go.
Okay. There was chocolate.
Something. I didn't give you chocolate. Where do you get chocolate from?
No, I had it after after school.
Okay.
It's a cute slime object. I'm being more kids on.
Ganito yung itsura ng weather simula kanina talaga to. Kagabi pa yata to mga kachika. Kasi kanina maulan din.
Get my glasses. Give me back.
That is
Straight in today.
The real.
quiet that side.
Uh-oh.
I'm talking to Daddy. Daddy.
Oh, yes.
Daddy, why people sneeze?
Why what?
Why?
People sneeze.
Sneeze.
Why people
Yeah.
sneeze?
Why they sneeze? Because,
Of sleep, sneeze.
sneeze.
Yeah.
Sneeze.
Yeah.
Oh, chew. Yeah. Because you got little dust in your nose. Is that not-
Bacteria, and then
If they got allergy.
Right. That's a good too.
I sneeze.
Fast.
I was sneezing. If you play, when I smell something, I sneeze. Sometimes. If you want people sneeze, it's gonna be dirty.
Yeah.
Wow. Look, I've never done that.
Hi, you guys see me? I know people read Tuesdays today. Read Tuesdays yesterday. Was it yesterday? Read Tuesdays. And I know, see?
Sige na, get rid of it.
Oh, let's do that. Let's see. Let's do that. Swimming.
Alisa, alam na talaga ni Alisa the routine. Yeah. If I got a pound,
She knows
said, no, I don't have. Kasi yung pound mga katsik, ilalagay mo yan doon sa yung maliit na cart, shopping cart. Tapos, ibabalik din yan sa'yo. Balik mo yung cart, tapos mababalik din sa'yo yung lalabas din yung 1 pound na pinasok mo. Okay, you go this side na lang din. And Alisa, sasama daw siya sa daddy niya. So kami na naman.
What do you want? List.
I don't have list.
Well, what do you want?
Just chicken wings,
And fish.
sea bass,
Oh. And
chicken
what about salmon?
wings.
What about salmon?
I don't know if you got salmon.
No, there's no salmon in there.
No salmon?
Well, you used the last. You took it out, so you must have seen how much you got left.
What is this?
Huh? Use that. Yeah, use it so we see.
Okay.
Yeah, right on there.
We don't need milk because we got milk. Have a look if they got rice.
Hmm?
Because last time you brought a rice from there.
I'll have a look.
Yeah, they have a lot of rice there. See.
What about fruit?
I don't know what fruit we need.
These strawberries.
We don't need strawberries. We got a lot of strawberries here.
Put down blueberries. I need blueberries. Apples,
No, we still got some apple.
onions,
We
potatoes.
got onions. We got potatoes.
Potatoes. Put down baked potatoes. We can have a baked potato maybe tomorrow.
Nagugutom ako.
Huh?
I said I'm hungry. What else I need? Orange, small orange. That's it. Nagugutom ako mga kachika. Wala akong... Yung kain ko, yung kaunti lang. Kaunti lang yung kain ko. Sa work. Okay, you go get out that side. No, Daddy got a pound already. No, Daddy, you go get out that side. See you later. Very, very hungry me. Naligo na ako mga kachika. Kaso kailangan naligo ko doon pero wala akong light. So si Mr. magbabubble bath daw siya o magbath ba siya mga kachika ba? Kasi nga nabanggit ko ba yun na yung shower namin hindi gumagana? Parang may problem. Oh, nabanggit ko na nga doon sa isa naming vlog ba. So bukas pa kasi pupunta dito yung plumber. Kaya hindi pa siya ayos. Bukas pa daw ng tanghali pupunta dito.
Magano ako nito kasi si Mr. hindi daw siya nakakita. Ako kasi naligo na ako, nag-bath din ako, pero ako nakakita man ako. Inopen ko lang yung door. Tapos nagsaglit ako, nag-bath. Dalhin ko muna doon to sa taas. Yung mga bata pala nasa bed na, patulogin siya kami kini Mr. Kakain ba kami? Nandyan pa yung nagprito ako ng manok para sa mga bata, yung extra nila. Alhin natin to. Kasi gusto niya daw ng dalawa.
These wet pants, is these yours?
Huh?
This, wet.
Yeah,
Wet.
just put down there, Daddy. I'm gonna wash them, Daddy.
Huh?
Just put there. On the
Wet.
and the robe, I'm gonna wash that one as well.
Yeah, close the window, Jenny.
I'll close that one later.
No, you're gonna forget.
I'm not. I know. I say that one earlier. Magpapagupit daw siya mga kachika kay mahaba na yung mohawk niya. Bago siya magbago ba. It's long na. Haba na nga. Kung na maalala kung kailan ko to inanuhan. Kasi every 2 weeks ko talaga to inanuhan mga kachika. Ginugupitan.
Huh?
I said, I cut your hair supposed to be every 2 weeks.
Well, it's over a month now.
Na over a month. Uy.
What is it then?
You know, I read on Facebook, Daddy. I'm not sure where it was, but it says they fired out the employee. It because
What employee?
employee.
Which one?
I don't know. I just read it on Facebook. They fired out. It's because you come to work very early.
No, that was, I read the same story.
Oh,
She was docking at extra time. She was,
even she's not.
no, she came early, but she put down early and got paid early.
Mm.
She was told not to, but she kept doing it. That's what happened.
Oh, she fired out.
What?
They fired out her.
No, they fired her. Not fired out.
They fired her.
Fired her.
Ah, so it's true.
What? No, yeah, but she was getting paid extra for it.
Mm.
You understand?
Ah,
Not supposed to.
yeah.
Coming early, but she was wanting paying for it. She was told not to, so she kept doing it. That's it.
Yeah, because it's not in her contract.
Maybe,
That
I
she
don't
started
know.
that time, yeah.
Who knows?
Ah, so totoo pala yung nabasa ko. Akala ko gawa-gawa lang. Nabasa din pala niya yung article na yun. Yun pala yun. Hindi ko nabasa lahat kasi ng ng kwento mga kachika. Ganun pala. Kaya pala inano siya. Kaya nagutom ako kasi nanginginig talaga ako sa gutom mga kachika. Ngayon medyo na okay na kasi nagprito nga ako ng manok tapos kain-kain lang na ako ng kaunti. Ganun ako. Kahit sobrang gutom ko, pag magkain ako kahit kaunti lang, kaunti nito, kaunti niya na, wala na, nabusog na. Kalimutan na ulit na gutom. You got no,
What? What?
there, bye. Ikaw.
Oh. No, I put it out already. Oh. Tickles that. No, I know, Top.
I know.
How many years you been doing this now?
5 years.
5 years? How much you save?
Ano? Small money, no? Harka?
No, £10 a month, £120. That's not that much.
Yeah, it's not that much to save. You already paid me the
Sure it
iPhone.
does. More than.
Okay, that's it.
You sure?
Let me see. Let me see. Oh, nice. Handsome again.
Nah. What about the side here?
No, it's done. It's
Huh?
done.
Are you sure?
It's clean.
On the top?
It's clean.
And the eyebrows, yeah?
Yes.
That's good. Oh. Look at that. Oh, take it off. A lot. Oh my god. Yeah, it's broken off the shoes.
It's okay. It's easy to clean. Okay.
No, I'm gonna go inside.
Mm.